Okay, what we're going to demonstrate here today is a quick disconnect coupler that will be able to couple under pressure. On the right side we have a conventional flat face coupling, and when there's pressure on that gauge it will not be able to couple. The coupling on the left here, I will be able to couple it when there's pressure on the gauge. Just to demonstrate, the pressure is vented and I can couple this from both sides pretty easily. That's the way this is supposed to work. I have a hand pump. I'm going to put 1,000 or 1,500 psi on these couplers. And I'm going to demonstrate the coupler on the right. It's going to be difficult and I will not be able to make this coupler connect. What's keeping it from coupling is the pressure on the poppet. There's 1,000 psi holding that closed. The unit here on the left has a valve built in that will release that pressure. You can see once it's coupled, the pressure on the gauge has disappeared. I will disconnect, pump it to high pressure again, and demonstrate one more time the coupling on the left. So the pressure gauge is reading about 2,200 psi. Coupling is coupled, has vented the pressure that was trapped, allowing it to couple.